Hi, my name is Danielle. I'm a physical therapist, and today I'm going to show you a few neck stretches and a neck exercise that can be helpful for neck pain or stiffness or even jaw pain and headaches. A lot of people have been working from home during this time, and so perhaps you don't have the optimal ergonomic setup in your workspace, or if your head has been forward, or if you've been on your phone a lot, sometimes that can lead to tightness, and these exercises may be helpful for you. This is not intended to replace medical advice, so if you do have a specific problem, I recommend seeing a qualified healthcare professional. So when we're forward, our head is forward during the day, or we're looking down a lot, it can tighten these muscles in the front of our neck. So a great neck stretch is to stretch these out. What you would want to do is be on skin, and you're going to have your hands under your collarbones. And what you do is you gently press in and then pull down a little bit. So I'm going to let my hands sink in to my chest, like my hands are pressing a handprint into soft clay. And then I'm going to gently pull down, so I'm anchoring here. My hands are not sliding on the skin. Then I'm going to just slowly look up towards the ceiling, and already I feel a stretch through these muscles here. So if you feel that, you can hold it for 3 to 5 minutes to release these tissues. Now, if this makes you dizzy, you don't want to do it, you want to stop. Some people, when they do this, they'll feel a little bit of tension or like a pinch in the back of the head, and if you do, then you may need to sit up nice and tall, elongate your spine, and get your head back a little bit first, and then stretch up. So it shouldn't cause any pain in the back of your head. You should just feel a nice stretch through the front. And you can modify this by leaning your head to one side, so then I feel it on the other side. And you could wait here for 3 to 5 minutes for a release. And you may check the other side. You may find that one side is tighter than the other. And then as I wait here, I may sink in a little more, but I'm not pushing anything. It's not painful. I just feel a nice stretch. When I go to the side like this, I actually feel it pulling all the way up into my jaw. So don't force anything and just be patient in each stretching position. And so that's a great one to do for the front and then up into the jaw. A lot of people also get tight in the top of the shoulders here and into the neck, and that can contribute to some headaches. So a really simple stretch that you can do is to sit up nice and tall and elongate your spine, and then lean one ear to one shoulder. And just doing this, you may feel a stretch through here. If you want to feel it a little bit more intensely, you can, on your skin, anchor one hand as you stretch away. Or with the same side hand, you could sit on your hand, sit up nice and tall and lean away. And that just helps to anchor here so that you can stretch a little bit better. And again, if you hold it 3 to 5 minutes, that's enough time to release the connective tissue and the fascia. If you feel dizzy or have any sharp pain or feel uncomfortable, of course you would stop before that. So that would be helpful to do on each side as well. As you're stretching here, you could experiment with looking down towards the floor. And when I do that, then you're stretching more of the back of your neck. So I'm looking down towards my shoulder and towards the floor. Or you could look up towards the ceiling, and then you're stretching more of the front of your neck. So you may find that one of those muscles groups is a little bit tighter, and so you could focus on that area. And then the last exercise is really great if you have, if you're working at a computer, or if you find that your head is forward during the day. It's called a chin tuck. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna retract your neck backwards. It's like you're giving yourself a double chin. So from the front, it looks like this. And you can put your finger on your chin if you want. You want to make sure your head goes straight back, or from the side it looks like this. So you're you're sitting up nice and tall and you're just retracting your chin back. You want to keep your chin level and you want to keep your eyes level so that it's just your neck coming back. Now when you do that, you may feel a tightness in the front of your throat and you may feel a stretching at the back of your head, and that's normal. You can hold it for a few seconds and then relax. And I recommend doing this throughout the day. So if you work at a desk or a repetitive job, you may want to set an alarm on your phone to do a few chin tucks every hour. It just takes a few seconds, but it can really help your posture and it can help the muscles and just for you to be in an optimal position throughout the day. So I hope that was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions, and I hope everyone is staying safe. Bye.